Welcome to Phone Doctor's tutorial videos. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to repair the iPhone 5C home button flex. On a scale from 1 to 10, this repair difficulty is rated a 5.5. The estimated time for this repair is 20 minutes. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Don't forget, with the original screw mat, you will never lose a screw again. Screw mat is available for most popular Android and Apple devices. For all your DIY kits, screw mats, and repair tool needs, visit us at PHONEDOCTORS.com. Use coupon code iPhone5C110 and receive 10% off your entire purchase. You can also find and visit us on all the popular social networks. Now, let's get started on the repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the 2 bottom screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Step 3. If the glass of your device is shattered severely, it's best to use a suction cup to pull up the screen. If the digitizer is badly shattered, it's best to use the metal spudger tool. Be careful not to scratch up or dent the housing when prying up the LCD. Step 4. Remove the 4 LCD screws with the 00 Phillips screwdriver. This is so you can unplug the LCD digitizer flex cables. Then, remove the LCD digitizer shield. Step 5. Unplug the 3 LCD digitizer flex cables from the board. Step 6. Remove the 2 Phillips screws to remove the home button flex. Carefully remove the flex contact pad with the plastic pry tool. Then, remove the physical home button from the housing. Step 7. Insert the physical home button into the housing and align the home button flex. Align the home button shield and insert the 2 Phillips screws. Step 8. Plug all 3 LCD digitizer connectors back onto the board. Align the shield and insert all 4 Phillips screws. Step 9. Snap LCD digitizer back into the housing securely. Make sure everything is flush with the housing. Step 10. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws back into the bottom of housing. This is the end of the repair video.